This video I'm going to show you how to get any fault codes from your Maytag commercial washer. Now to do that, you have to put your dial into the 12 o'clock position, which is the mixed load. The washer does have to be plugged in and in the standby mode. And to put it into diagnostic mode first, you have to left, right, right, left, right. If you're successful, all of these lights on the bottom should be flashing. To get to the fault code section, you want to click one click to the right until just the done light is flashing. This indicates the fault code department. You press start and then you'll get all 5 lights flashing again. And to cycle through the fault codes, you'd simply jog through the dial and it'll start displaying fault codes. Now if you're just getting the fill light to flash, that means that there are no fault codes stored. Once you're done checking your fault codes, you should get this 5 flashing lights again. And to clear the fault codes, press and hold cancel for 3 seconds, and it will delete the codes and exit you from test mode. And from the codes that you find, you should be able to figure out where to look for your washer if it's not working properly.